to track and work on the students' progress. We also cover syllabus as per as school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed monthly progress report card. Students can take the Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So, if you are here for the first time, book a free trial class today. So students, those who are new to the stream can subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Yes, so we are going to study today the third part of ratio and proportion. So in the two classes we have focused more on ratios. So now we will learn what is a proportion. Okay, so yes. So objectives of today's class will be, we will learn what is proportion, we will learn continuous proportion and properties of proportion. All these things we will learn in the today's class. Yes, students, those are seeing the stream, you can comment your names in the chat, say hi, good morning, everything. Let me know who all are present in our today's class. Yes. Okay, let us revise few concepts. Give two equivalent ratios of 7:4. Well, I have taught you the easiest method how to find the equivalent ratios. Okay, so other books says like 7/4. Okay, they say you need to multiply and multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. You get some answers. Okay, so this is the equivalent ratio 1. So I have suggested you to multiply by 10 and 100, which is the easiest way, right? So if I multiply numerator and denominator by 10, what do I get? I get 70 by 40. If I multiply by 100, I get 700 by 400. Are this equivalent ratio? Yes, these are although also the equivalent ratio. सिर्फ zero ही तो डालना है. Okay, this is the easiest trick, easiest method, easy of this, which you can do this. Yes. Now see, Shweta has 160 apples. Okay, so this girl, her name is Shweta. Yes, students, I would like to know your names. Who all are seeing the stream? Comment your names in the chat. Shweta has 160 apples and Rahul has 40 marbles. Okay, yes, this is scenario. Scenario number 1. They want to share among themselves. Okay, so Rahul gave 20 marbles and Shweta gave 80 apples to Rahul. Shweta considered it unfair. Okay, she considered unfair क्योंकि उसको लगा like she might have thought, अरे मैंने तो 80 apples दिए, मुझे तो सिर्फ 20 मार्बल मिले हैं. So she asked her mother about this, and yes, the mother explained like this. Okay, that out of 40 marble, Rahul gave 20 marbles to you, right? So therefore, the ratio is 20 by 40 is 1 by 2. Okay, so and out of 160 apples, Shweta, you gave Rahul 80 apples. So 80 by 160 is 1 by 2. Now see the ratios are same. Okay, since both ratios are same, so the distribution was fair. Okay, this is what her mother concluded. Next, let's take an example. In a supermarket, Rajesh sells 2 kg of apple for rupees 120. Okay, so let me underline this. So Rajesh is selling 2 kg apples for rupees 120, and Rohan sells 4 kg apples for rupees 240. Now, are they selling at the same price or one of them is selling at the greater price? Let us check. Okay, so the ratio of weight of apple. So the first person Rajesh is selling at 2 kgs and Roshan is selling at 4 kg. So 2 by 4 is 1 is to 2. Okay, now let us take the ratios of their cost. 20 rupees, 120 rupees by 240 rupees. Okay, you simplify the 0 0 cancel, 12 by 24, 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. So this ratio is also 1 by 2. So both ratios are same. What does it mean? It means they are selling at the same price. देखो यहाँ पे देख लो, yes, 2 kg is selling at I think so 120 rupees. Okay, so 1 kg को कितना he is selling? 1 kg he is selling at 60 rupees, right? So next person Roshan is selling 4 kgs at rupees 240. Now for 1 kg divide this by 4, 240 by 4, 4 6 ja 24 0. So 1 kg is also selling at 60 rupees. Both of them are selling at the same price. So how did we calculate this? By seeing the ratios of the weights to the ratios of their selling price. Both of them are same, so they are selling at the same price. Yes. So whose apples are more expensive? दोनों का सेम ही है. So the ratio of weight of apples is equal to ratio of their cost. Both the ratios are same. Since both ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. देखो, I've used the new word proportion. Since both the ratios are equal, they are in proportion, they are selling apples at same rate. So what is proportion now, guys? What is proportion? If two ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. Okay, so when two ratios are same, they are in same proportion. We use the symbol as, okay, like this, four dots or equal to equate the two ratios. So how do we write is like this? See here, a by a is to b, and this is pronounced as. Okay, this is pronounced as. A is to b as, c is to d. इसको equal to भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so yes. So when do we say ratios are in proportion? If two ratios are equal, we say they are in proportion. Now देखो यहाँ पे, let us take this example. The distance of John's house from school is 1 is to 4. Okay, and the moon is 1/4 the size of Earth. Okay, this is also 1/4. This is also 1/4. Are they in proportion? Yes, the ratios are same. So they are in proportion. देखो ये एक interesting fact है. On March 14th, light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes and 15 seconds to reach the earth. Okay, whatever the rays are emitted by the sun, okay, it takes 8 minutes and 15 seconds to reach the earth's surface. Yes, now representation of a proportion, guys. So write down, if you're writing this, representation of a proportion. We can say 3, 10, 15 and 50 are in proportion. How can we say? Okay, which is written as 3 is to 10, okay, as 15 is to 50. Now see, I've told you this is read as 3 is to 10 as 15 is to 50. Now see here. Now, are they in proportion? Yes, they are in proportion. Now see, this is 3 is to 10. Now, what about this 15 is to 30? Divide by 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 10 ja 50. They are in same ratios, 3 is to 10 and 3 is to 10. Okay, so the two ratios, 3 is to 10 and 15 is to 50, they are in proportion. Try this out. Are these numbers in proportion? Let us check. So 40 is to 60. Okay, how much is this? Okay, so 0 0 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and this one I know the tables of no, but this won't be divided by 15, so let us divide it by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. ये भी 2:3 है, ये भी 2:3. Are they in proportion? Yes. 40 is to 60 as 70 is to 105 are in proportion. Find the value of x in the proportion. Okay, they have said this is a proportion. If they are in proportion, okay, so 2 by x will be equal to 3 by 9. Now what you need to do here, do crosswise multiplication. Okay, so x को ऊपर भेज दो, ये राइट साइड को भेज दो, so we will get x is equal to 2 times 9, और ये मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 है, नीचे आके डिवाइड बाय 3 हो जाएगा. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 2 times 3 is 6. How much is the value of x? X is equal to 6. Now देखो यहाँ पे 2 by 6 and 3 by 9. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. So yes, x is equal to 6 is the right answer. Correct. Now find the value of x in the proportion. Okay, 2x plus 1 is to 2 and x plus 2 is to 5. देखो यहाँ पे friend students, 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x plus 2 by 5. Now do crosswise multiplication. Okay, I'm going to put the bracket, so I'm going to write one more step. So yes, do crosswise multiplication. 5 times 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 times in the bracket x plus 2. How much is 5 times 2x? 10x. How much is 5 times 1? Plus 5 is equal to 2 times x is 2x and 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, now take 2x this side, 10x minus 2x. How much is that? 10x minus 2x is 8x. And here we have 4 minus 5. How much is 4 minus 5? 4 minus 5 is 1. 8x is 1. So x is minus 1 by 8. So the value of x is minus 1 by 8, guys. Moving on to the next question. Try this out. Do the ratios 30 centimeter to 4 meter and 30 seconds to 4 minutes are in proportion. भाई देख के लग रहा है it is not. Still let us find. So let us convert this meters to centimeters. Let us convert this minutes to seconds. So 30 centimeter by 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 400. Okay, this is one ratio. Another ratio is 30 to 4 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now देखो यहाँ पे आर दे इक्वल. ऊपर 30 30 है, यहाँ पे 400 है, यहाँ पे 6 4 जा 240 है. So are they equal? No, these ratios are not in proportion. Because the ratios are different, they are not in proportion. Now, the next topic which we are going to learn is, guys, continued proportion. क्या है ये continued proportion? What is continued proportion? Three quantities are said to be in continued proportion if the ratio between the first and second is equal to the ratio between the second and third. Okay, now अगर सिंपल से बोलना है, if three quantities A, B and C are said to be in proportion if A is to B, okay, is equal to B is to C. You can write A is to B is to C. Yes, we have Vatsal here. Vatsal, good morning. कैसे हो Vatsal? Yes, Vatsal, I know you, Vatsal. So yes, enjoy this class, okay? Pay attention and try to solve the answers if you know them. Okay, for example, देखो यहाँ पे A by B is 9 is to 14. They have given A is to B is equal to 9 is to 14, and B is to C is what? Is equal to 14 is to 19. If they are in continued proportion, what we can write? We can write it as 9 is to 14 is to 9. Okay. So next question, Vatsal, I'm going to ask you. Okay. So देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. If A, B and C are in continued proportion, then we can write like this: A is to B as B is to C. Vatsal, how to read this? A is to B. The four dot is read as. A is to B as B is to C. The second quantity, ये जो second quantity B है, B, what do we call this as? The second quantity B is called as mean proportional. What do we call the second quantity as? Mean proportional. Okay, so in A is to B is to B is to C, B is called as mean proportional between A and C, and also the value of B square is A multiplied by C. So if there is a proportion like this, okay, what we can write? B square is equal to A into C. Okay, so using this formula, we will solve some problems. Vatsal, are you ready? Okay, I hope you are ready and let us solve. So B को क्या बोलते हैं? B को हम बोलते हैं mean proportion and C को बोलते हैं third proportion. Third proportional, okay, and first proportional. A को we call it as first proportional. First proportional, third proportional, mean proportional. Yes, based on this, we will be solving. देखो यहाँ पे, the third quantity is called third proportional. The first quantity is called first proportional. So yes, for example, okay, let us consider 6, 12, 24. Okay, the ratio of first to second is 1, 6 by 12 is 1 by 2. The ratio of second to third is 12 by 24, which is also 1 by 2. We see that 6 by 12 is equal to 12 by 24. Thus, these are in continued proportion. So, ये proportion में mean proportion कौन सा है? The middle term is known as the mean proportional. The second one is known as, second quantity is known as mean proportional. Third quantity is known as third quantity. Okay, third quantity is known as third proportional, and first quantity is known as first proportional. Yes. Now let us solve a question on this. So before that, a challenge है guys. Do you accept the challenge? What is the challenge? What is the smallest number? Okay, that increased by 12 when flipped, when it is flipped and turned upside down. Okay, so इसका आंसर हम लोग लास्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे. इसका आंसर कमेंट करके बताओ हमें. ओके, बाद में. यस, यू कैन टेक टाइम इफ यू वांट. Yes. Now let's move down. Let's move to the topic properties of proportion. So first property. What is the first property? Okay, first property क्या है? If there are two ratios in proportion, if A by B as or is equal to C by D, C is to D, then we can write this: the product of extremes is equal to product of the means. Okay, so these are means, these are extreme numbers. Okay, extreme quantities, extreme. So product of extreme matlab A by B is equal to C by D. Simply you can do crosswise multiplication. So A times D is equal to B times C लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so A times D, the first and the last term. First and the last term are known as extremes, and the middle terms are known as, यहाँ पे नहीं, यहाँ पे middle terms are known as means. Okay, so this is the first property. What is the first property? If two ratios are in proportion, the product of extremes is equal to product of mean. And the second property, okay, if A is to B as C is to D, then A by B is equal to C by D. Then D is known as the fourth proportional to ABC. What is D? D is known as the fourth proportional to ABCD. So let's solve some problems now. Are you ready? I'm going to cover the answers so that you can't see the answers. Vatsal, are you ready? Okay, who else is seeing the stream? Can you comment your names, guys? Okay, don't worry. If you know how to solve that, it's okay. If you don't know, I will teach you guys. Okay, just all I want is to know your names in the chat. Tell me your names, guys, so that I can come to know who all are seeing my stream today. So yes, find the value of m if 7 is to 14 is to m are in continued proportion. When do we say three terms are continued in proportion? If A by B is equal to B by C. Now this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, how much is A by B? 7 by 14 is equal to 14 by M. You need to find the value of M, right? So do crosswise multiplication. How can we do? Okay, 7M is equal to 14 times 14. And M is equal to 14 times 14 by 7. 7 1 just 7, 7 2 just 14. So the value of M is 14 times 2, which is 28. I hope, Vatsal, you have got the right answer. Did you get 28? Okay, if you have got 28, comment yes in the chat. Yes. देखो यहाँ पे guys, M is equal to 28. This is the right answer. Okay. Find the mean proportion between 4 and 9. What is the mean proportion? So there are three terms A, B, C. Okay. The middle term is known as the mean proportion. So A is to B is equal to B is to C. So B is the mean proportion. So what can we write? A by B is equal to B by C. On cross multiplying we get B square is equal to AC. ये हमने लिखाया है formula. So we need to find where B is the mean proportion. Let us find the value of B. So B square is, A is the first term, C is the last term. So 4 times 9. B square is 4 times 9, which is 36. Find the value of B. How much is the value of B, Vatsal? Comment in the chat. So B square is 36. B is square root of 36, which is 6. Is 6 the answer? Yes, 6 is the right answer, guys. Now, moving on to the next question. Yes, students, those who are new to the stream, I would like to tell you that please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update and you will be on time to the class. You'll get a notification on your mobile or your laptop. I don't think so laptop mein aayega, your mobile or your tablet. So yes, you can join the stream. So check whether these are in continued proportion or not. How to check whether three terms are in continued proportion or not? A by B, A is to B should be equal to B is to C, or A by B should be equal to B by C. Now, how much is A? A is the first term, 0.4 by 3.6. This should be equal to 3.6 by 3.04. Now, if I multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, I get 4 by 36. Now, simplify this. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 9 is 36. So, A by B is 1 by 9. B by C, 3.6 divided by 3.24. Now यहाँ पे नीचे दो डेसिमल है, so I will tell you to multiply by 100 on the numerator and the denominator. So this will be 360, this will be 324. सर हमने 10 से क्यों नहीं मल्टीप्लाई किया, मतलब नीचे डेसिमल रह जाएगा ना, so थोड़ा अगेन इट विल बी कॉम्प्लेक्स. So yes, so see here. ऊपर का नंबर बड़ा है, नीचे का नंबर छोटा है. यहाँ पे ऊपर का नंबर छोटा था, नीचे का बड़ा था. सो इवन इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, आई थिंक सो it won't be in a continued proportion, but still let us do this. Can I divide by 6? ऊपर yes, नीचे 6 5 जा 30. Yes, 6 60 जा 36, 6 5 जा 30, 6 4 जा 24. Okay, 6 10 ja 60, 6 9 ja 54. So what ratio we are getting? We are getting 10 is to 9. Is 1 by 9 equal to 10 by 9? No, these are not equal. So they are not in proportion. Okay. Next problem, 2.4 by 9.6. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. You get 24 by 96. Okay. 12, I know the tables of 12. 12 2 ja 24, 12 8 ja 96, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So 2 is to, so A is to B. How much is the value? A by B is, कितना आया था guys? 1 is to 4. A by B is 1 is to 4. Let us check the value of B by C. How much is that? 9.6 divided by 38.4 multiply by 10. मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रहा हूँ गाइस, मल्टीप्लाई करके. So 96 divided by 384. Okay, so yes, 12 8 ja 96, 12 3 ja 36, 12 2 ja 24. Okay, 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. So B by C is also 1 by 4. Okay, so what can we see here? A by B is equal to B by C. So these are in continued proportion, guys. Find the fourth proportion. Okay, how to find the fourth proportion? Okay, if four numbers are in proportion, when, see, A, B, C, D are in proportion when A by B is equal to C by D. Okay, so here, or D is equal to what? From this equation, D is equal to B times C by A. So B times C by A करना है. So here this is A, B, C. So D is equal to what? B times C by A. So B is 125 times C is 3.5 divided by A is 12. Now can we divide this by any of the numbers? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Okay. So we need to multiply this and solve it. Okay. Now can you multiply this? Any division possible? Is there any kind of division possible? Not possible. So yes, let me divide then. So 125 into 3.5 करना है first. Okay, do this guys first. Well, I will use the Vedic maths technique. You can use some other technique. Yes, Harsh, आज 10 o'clock को था मेरा class. So that's why I'm telling guys, subscribe to this channel so you will never miss any update. Okay, सो इतना दिन 11 o'clock को था, आज 10 o'clock को था. So Harsh has missed half part of the class. So don't worry. होता है. Yes. First assume there is no point. Multiply with 125 times 35. It is 3. And 5 and 6 is 11. 10 and 15 is 25. Okay, and 25. Final answer 5, 7, 3, and 4. Decimal is after one number, so yes. So the answer is 437.5, and divide this number by 12. Okay, 12 3 are 36. We get 77, 12 4 are 48, 12 5 are 60, 12 6 are 72. We get 5 and point, we get 5 and 5. Okay, decimal number यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So 12 4 are 48, 2 is remaining, 12 1 are 12. So approximately the answer of the fourth proportion is how much? Answer of the fourth proportion is 36.41. Okay, now let us find the fourth proportion of this. So A by B is equal to C by D. If the numbers are like this, they are said to be in fourth proportion. So yes, A by B is equal to C by D. So D value is B times C by A. So B is 170 times C is 34 divided by A is 85. The fourth proportion or D value is this. So simplify this and tell me the answer. So 17 table से हो जाएगा divide. 17 5 जा 85, 17 10 जा 70, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 34 double is 68. The value of D is 68. Sir, हमें 17 का टेबल नहीं आता है. Okay, divide by 5 then. It will take more steps, but you will get the same answer. So the answer for this is 68. Okay. Check whether the following numbers are in proportion or not. So there are 4 numbers A, B, C, D. If A by B is equal to C by D, then they are in proportion. So Harsh, solve this first one and tell me whether they are in proportion or not. So you can comment they are in proportion, they are not in proportion. So the first ratio A by B kitna hai? A is 3, B is 5. Second one 6 and 10. So simplify by 2, divide by 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. We get 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Both are equal. Hence they are in proportion. Next one 0.25. Yes, Aryavrat, मैंने पहचान लिया तुमको आर्यव्रत हो by the image. Yes, you are using your dad's account, I guess. Yes, Aryavrat. So देखो यहाँ पे, okay, pay attention. After this problem, you can pay attention, Aryavrat, and tell the answers. Are they in proportion? So yes, multiply by 100 for the left ratio. So we get 25 by 50. And this is 50 by 100. You can extremely simplify it. 0 0 cancel, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, ये 1 by 2 आ गया, ये 25 1 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50. Both of them are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So yes, these are in proportion. Okay, Aryavrat, now you can pay attention from now. Find the third proportion. Find the third proportion, guys. So find the third proportional to 12 and 30. So A by A, B, C are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to B is to C. So yes, हमें C the third proportional निकालना है. So what we need to do? Use this formula. So 12 by 30 should be equal to 30 by the third proportional C. So do crosswise multiplication. C will be equal to 30 times 30 by 12. So 3 4 जा 12 and देखो guys यहाँ पे okay. So to make it easy, okay, so how will I write this as 30 30 है ना? So what I will write is 30 into 3 into 3 which is 9, 9 into 100 divided by 12. क्यों मैंने 100 लिखा? बिकॉज 4 से वो डिविजिबल है. देखो यहाँ पे 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 4 1 जा 4, 4 25, 25 4 जा 100 है. So 25 times 3, how much is the value of C? C is equal to 75. अभी देखो सिंप्लीफाई करके चेक द आंसर. ओके, सो 3 4 जा 12, 3 10 जा 30. ओके, 3 10 जा 30. ओके 10 आ गया. ओके मतलब ये इक्वल नहीं रहेगा, लाइक इक्वल नहीं, this won't be, this will be equal or not. Okay, so 10 is to some other number I'll get, like 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, okay, so we are finding here third proportion, and third proportion aa gaya. Yes, so how much is the third proportion? How much did I get, guys? So 25 3 ja 75. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, 12, 30 and 75. 75 is the third proportion. B square, okay, should be equal to A into C. So C is equal to 30 times 30, which is 900. 9 into 100 divided by 12 करना है. मैंने 25 कैसे कर लिया? अच्छा मतलब 4 कर लिया. 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 4 1 ja 4, 4 25 ja 100. So C is 75. Yes, this is right, guys. Okay. So what did we learn so far? आज क्या क्या सीखे हम? So today we learned proportion, we learned continuous proportion, and also we learned properties of proportion. दो properties हमने पढ़ाई किया. So if A, B, C, D are in proportion such that AB is as C is to D and D is called as fourth proportion. Okay, ये हमने एक सीखा है. And दूसरा also we have learned. So these two proportion, these two properties you have learned today. So yes, we will stop here then, guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Okay, tomorrow it may be 10 o'clock or maybe 11 o'clock also. So if you have subscribed to this channel, you will come to know at what time it is. A notification will pop up in your mobile. So yes, guys, subscribe to this channel. So bye bye. Have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow.